What are the specialized epidermal cells surrounding the God cells called? The answer is option B, subsidiary cells. Subsidiary cells are the specialized epidermal cells that surrounds the God cells of stomata. They help in the functioning of the God cells, particularly in regulating the opening and closing of the stomata by providing mechanical support and assisting in the movement of ions and water into the God cells. So the answer is option B. Coming to option A, complementary cells. These are not typically used in the context of God cells, so option A is incorrect. Option C, bulliform cells. So these are the large specialized cells found in the epidermis of the leaves, primarily responsible for leaf folding and wilting during water stress. So option C is incorrect. Option D, lenticels. So lenticels are the small openings on the surface of the stems and woody plants which allow the gas exchange, and they are not related to God cells. So the answer is option B.